In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to save items in a list on the Dollar Tree app. Let's get started. First, launch your Dollar Tree app. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now you can browse or search for the item you would like to save. At the moment, there is no such option as add to list or shopping list in the Dollar Tree app, but there is the option favorites. You can add the items over here. For that, search for the item that you would like to add to your favorites. Once you find the product, click on it. Now here you're gonna find this heart icon, click on that. Now the product will be added to your favorites. By following the same process, you can add other items as well to your favorites. And once you are done with that, navigate to home page. Now go to this favorite section, and here you're gonna find the list of the items that you have added to your favorites. And that's all there is to saving items in a list on Dollar Tree app. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.